Welcome, everyone. We're diving into AI and orthodontics today. Dr. Baxmann, a leading expert, has some amazing insights, and I think what we've learned is going to really blow your mind.
I think you're right. Dr. Baxman often talks about the potential of AI. It's completely changing how orthodontists work and how patients experience care.
Let's kick things off with how orthodontic appliances are actually made.
Okay.
Dr. Baxmann highlighted in one of his talks the impact of additive manufacturing.
Yeah.
It's amazing how this 3D printing, driven by AI, is creating these appliances for each patient so quickly and with amazing precision.
So it's a whole new world, right? We're not stuck with those old ways of doing things anymore. Orthodontists can just use these AI-powered 3D printers
Wow.
to make custom appliances like aligners so much faster.
Yeah, it's mind-blowing.
Yeah.
The level of detail and how tailored they can make it is something we could only dream of before.
Totally. It's incredible to think that AI can even be used to bioprint tissues to rebuild jaws, and there are AI surgical robots already helping with putting in implants.
That shows how many different ways AI can be used in orthodontics.
It's really remarkable. AI is also being used for things like arch wire bending, which is super delicate work. Imagine these tiny robots, like nanorobots powered by AI, doing these procedures that require such a steady hand. That kind of automation would mean orthodontists can spend more time on the more complicated parts of taking care of patients.
So it's not just about AI making things faster. It's also about making everything more efficient and more accurate across the board. Dr. Baxmann often talks about this, like AI is a multi-tool that can be used in all parts of dentistry. It helps with diagnosis, it helps with planning the treatment, and it even helps to actually carry out the treatment.
Yeah, it's like having an amazing assistant who's always there to help the dentist every step of the way.
Right.
AI helps diagnose problems better, plan treatments more accurately, and do those treatments in a more precise way. It's changing how orthodontists take care of their patients for sure.
One area that I thought was super interesting is AI diagnosis. AI algorithms can analyze cephalometric X-rays. Those are the images they use to look at the bones in your head and skull. AI can do that faster.
Oh, absolutely. Dr. Baxman even talked about how these AI apps have made diagnoses much faster in his own practice, which means decisions about treatment happen quicker. That's a win for everyone, both the patient and the orthodontist.
AI can diagnose more than just what you can see on X-rays. It can also help predict problems like TMD, the jaw joint problem,
Right.
and even things like breathing issues.
It's like having another expert there to look at the patient and their condition. Catching these things early is important for making sure the treatment works as well as possible.
Okay, so let's move on to treatment planning, which is another area where AI is making a big difference. AI can look at lots of different things, like how the molars fit together, how old the patient's skeleton is, and even how much space there is in the mouth.
Right.
And it can create a personalized treatment plan.
It's incredible, isn't it? Like AI can go through all this data and figure out the best path for each patient's treatment.
Dr. Baxman even said that AI has been shown to be 87.4% accurate in predicting if a patient will need a tooth pulled.
Having that kind of knowledge is really helpful for orthodontists.
Yeah, that's a game changer. So AI is helping orthodontists make better decisions, giving more targeted care. And that means treatments can be shorter,
Right.
fewer appointments, and of course, happier patients.
Absolutely. You're totally right. But Dr. Baxman also makes a really important point, which is that you have to use AI responsibly. It's a powerful tool, but it's not meant to replace orthodontics.
Expertise and judgment, right? It's there to support them,
And it's all about working together to make sure patients get the best care.
if that makes sense.
AI is not just changing how things work in the office, it's changing how patients actually get care through telehealth.
Right.
So Dr. Baxman's really excited about that.
It's amazing that you can update your orthodontist on how you're doing right from home. There's software that can analyze pictures of your teeth and send reports to your orthodontist so you don't have to go to the office all the time.
So that's a huge help for people who live far away or have busy schedules. AI-powered monitoring makes treatment more convenient, and it also helps patients feel like they're more in control of their care.
Yeah, that's a great point. But with all this exciting stuff about AI and orthodontics, we can't forget about the challenges. Dr. Baxman talks a lot about data security and how important it is to address those concerns.
Patient privacy is so important. Orthodontists, developers, everyone who makes these systems, and the people who make the rules need to work together to make sure patient information is handled safely and responsibly. Dr. Baxman's really pushing for clear rules about data so people can trust the system.
Right, that makes sense. And then there's the whole black box thing. We don't really know how the AI algorithms are making their decisions.
Right.
It can be hard for orthodontists to really understand how the AI is getting its results.
That is a valid point. We need systems that are more transparent, like explainable AI, where you can see the steps it takes to make a decision that builds trust and helps catch any biases or mistakes the AI might be making.
It's not just about the AI being accurate. It's also about making sure it's fair for everyone.
If the data the AI learns from is skewed or incomplete, then it could give results that are wrong or unfair.
Exactly.
So making sure AI and orthodontics are equitable is key to giving everyone the best care possible.
Now, on top of all these developments, there's something else that's caught my eye.
What's that?
The rise of these large language models. LLMs. Dr. Baxmann mentioned them on a recent podcast, and it seems like they could be a game changer for orthodontics.
LLMs are like ChatGPT 4.0, right? They're AI systems that can understand and talk like humans. A lot of people are interested in how these chatbots could give advice to orthodontists and patients, even if they don't have special dental software.
You could ask a chatbot about your treatment plan, or get answers to questions about orthodontics in general.
LLMs could make information about orthodontics more accessible to everyone.
That's cool.
It could empower patients to be more informed and involved in their care.
But we have to remember, these chatbots are still new. We need to make sure they're accurate and reliable.
They're tools to help, not to replace real orthodontists. But it does make you think, right? What other amazing things will AI do in the near future?
Well, who knows what's next? It's an exciting time to be learning about orthodontics. It feels like every day there's something new and amazing happening. AI is already changing the field in a big way, and it's only going to become more integrated in the years to come.
The real value of AI is how we use it to make things better for the patients.
It's not about getting rid of human experts. It's about giving them more power to help patients.
It's all about teamwork, AI and humans working together.
Right, AI has come a long way in such a short time. Dr. Baxman has mentioned that just a few years back, the idea of AI playing such a big role in orthodontics seemed like science fiction, but now it's a core part of the field.
And what Dr. Baxmann keeps saying, that's really important. He believes AI isn't about replacing orthodontists, but about giving them like new tools. Really powerful ones.
To take better care of patients.
Exactly.
It's about using technology to make the care even better. And as AI gets more advanced, we can expect even more amazing applications to pop up.
We really are seeing a whole new era in orthodontics. How will AI change your experiences with dental care down the road?
As we go into this future where AI is driving healthcare, it's really interesting to be thinking about what orthodontics will look like.
So we've come to the end of our look at AI and orthodontics.
Thanks for joining us on this exploration of AI and orthodontics. We hope you found it insightful and exciting. Stay tuned for more conversations about how technology is shaping the future of healthcare. Until next time, take care and keep smiling.